Hey, Khalil.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
A minute.
Dang, that snow is just... I have never had it hit me so far. I'm recording. I have never.
Is that movie?
Movie. It is hitting hard. Shit. Look at that shit. Damn. I mean, I can't even see. I really can't. Oh my gosh.
Oh. How do you feel?
We need some regular glasses.
The bad goddamn snow.
Oh my gosh. That is unbelievable. Look at that. Oh, we're not going nowhere tomorrow.
Oh. Where you going?
Running some cafeteria.
Wait a minute! Yeah. Hurry up! Hurry up! Wait a minute! Where you going? Get the fuck out! Lass doch mal locker. Aç mı giriyor? Film. Aç mı giriyor? Ne ya? Bir de film. Hey, film mi konu? Geçiyor. Var. Benim yakın var ya.